Hello again and welcome to another video from the Marketing Study Guide. In this video I want to have a look at how we choose attributes to put on our perceptual maps. Now it will depend on our purpose or our goal. Why are we trying to create a map that outlines how consumers see the marketplace? I've just got three broad objectives or goals we're trying to achieve. One, we want to identify gaps and opportunities in the marketplace. Two, we want to assess our positioning and how well our image stacks up against our competitors. Or three, we want to create a rich picture of our brand, perhaps from a brand personality perspective, perhaps leading into some sort of storytelling, so enriching the brand. Okay, so depending upon that, if we're identifying gaps, most of our attributes will be product based because we're looking at what products can we bring into the marketplace. So I've just got some food type examples here. Weak to strong flavour, junk to healthy, sour to sweet, plain to creamy, low fat to high fat. So these are all product ingredient based to look for opportunities or gaps in the marketplace for some sort of food product. Now these are perception based. Now we could go through products in the marketplace and go, well that one's strong, I know that one, and that one's probably a bit of junk food. So we could do that as marketing people or management, but we're not doing it from a consumer perspective. We know the brands, they're our competitors, so we know their strengths and weaknesses. But we're interested in consumer perception. A lot of consumers will only buy these products or these brands occasionally. They might be a regular user of one, never buy that one occasionally. Why? Because their perceptions change. Okay, so we've got to understand that. So somebody could have a perception that is wrong of a brand they don't normally buy because of this combination of attributes. So that we find that out by looking at perceptual maps rather than looking at us from management experts. We know the market, we know how things are positioned. No, we're interested in perceptions. In terms of assessing our positioning, we look at various image type based attributes. So I've got a mature brand, a childish brand, low trust, high trust, careless, careful, local, international, forgettable, memorable. So these are descriptors about a brand, and we would generally have a positioning goal that we want to be seen as a high trust, careful, international, memorable, mature brand, for example. Okay, we can have any combination of these, and then we can have a look at how we are tracking against our goals. So this is assessing the success of our positioning, and then we can also have a look at are we the same or distinctive on some of these characteristics as well. And then finally, this more enrichment of the brand and painting a bigger picture. So we're using, instead of image-based, thinking about the brand more as a person. So we use attributes more aligned to that. So are we a safe person or quite edgy personality? Are we dull or inspiring? Are we foolish or wise, nice or mean, shy or outgoing? And through that, we're painting a picture of the brand more as an individual brand, more as a person, and that might be quite helpful for us constructing a distinctiveness about the brand. So this is assessing our positioning. This is trying to create this sort of backstory and distinctive nature of us. So if you need help with these, on my website, I've got a link to it. I've got over 250 combinations of these, so that's one combination, two combinations, that you can have a look through and see which ones. They're just ideas and thought starters. Obviously, we would then translate them into some sort of market research survey and capture the consumer data. So hopefully that was a good video for you. Please like and subscribe.